I'm so in love with these tiny cells. They're so spectacular. They're beautiful. Check out today's painting. You're gonna love this one. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Camille. I want to say thank you all for being here. I do appreciate every single one of you. Alright guys, as you can see, I have a messy canvas right there. Okay, the canvas is really messy. My table is also messy. I've been playing around, experimenting with some pearl cells, and I did a painting previously on this canvas, and it didn't turn out as I had hoped, so I scraped the canvas. So the paint I scraped from the canvas and the paint that I scraped off the table as well, I put it back into a cup, and then I'll be using that mix. It's actually like a deep gray, so it's not really black when I mix all the colors together. So I'll be using that color to pour over these bright colors that you're looking at, the yellow, the blue, and the pink. So I'll be pouring the black over, and then yes, it's gonna create some cells. It was an experiment. I was just going with the flow. I do hope you guys enjoy it, and of course, leave me a comment. Let me hear your feedback in the comment section below, guys. Okay, and if you do love it, give me a thumbs up or share with your friends and family. That's all welcome. And I want to say to my new viewers, if you do like this one and you do like my contents, please go ahead and subscribe. Hit that the bell, hit all, so that you're notified each time I post a new video. Thank you guys. Stay tuned for the close-up of the wet result and the dried result. So I'll see you guys. Don't go away. Here is a close-up of the wet result. I am loving it, guys. So the color that I pour over the pink, the yellow, and the blue was actually like a mixture of black and, you know, and all the other colors that I was working with before on this particular canvas. So it turned out absolutely amazing. The cells are very small and not the usual pearl cells that I was hoping for, but I do love this painting and I decided to keep this one. So let me know in the comment section below, guys, what you have to say about this one. It's beautiful. I do hope you love it. And of course, here it is, all dried. I decided to put a coat of resin on this just so I could bring the color out, and it is just beautiful. I just love how gradient the colors are, how the blue is flowing into the yellow. I lost all my pink, but it's just beautiful. I do love the colors, guys. It's amazing. And I decided to put it this way. It looks like a crescent, you know, like the moon, like, you know, that new moon look. So I wanted to place it on my fireplace this way, and I do hope you guys agree. What do you see in this painting? Let me know in the comment section below. I do hope you love it, and if you do, give me a thumbs up. Check out my playlist, guys, and I will see you next time on Camila Moy Art. Bye.